a great presenter. I, in fact, love to see her present. She actually puts passion in what she says when she talks. She enunciates. You're able to follow her clearly and understand the points that she's trying to get across.
We came here to learn about the way we can meet more people, get in touch with people, get our business growing, because you get more in relation to other persons that are having the same problems and will have the same goals as you have.
Sky Connect is one of the Birmingham Airport Authority's disadvantaged business enterprises, which we call DBE. She is presenting on a course about networking and one-on-one connections within our small business community.
I want to make sure we are able to build empires. We're able to build more long-lasting dynasties.
Being myself a new entrepreneur, a young entrepreneur, I see it as a valuable resource to learn how to build those relationships that's going to make your business successful in the long run.
I enjoyed what Alice was saying. She hit on many points regarding things you need to do for your business, some strong points, and had me kind of think about my strong points and my weak points and kind of have a self-evaluation of what I need to do.
You're here because you want to learn how to take this and make it successful. Networking and relationships will never go away. There's never going to be a time where you don't need a relationship. There's never going to be a time where you don't need a network.
She breaks it down so that you can understand it and so that you can put it to practice. You know, you have a lot of presenters that really say a lot of things but don't make it make sense to where you can walk out the door and use it. Well, she does. I feel empowered that I can leave this event and put her information that she shared to work instantly.
I like how she broke out networking as work, and you know, work, that's what you have to do. That's what it's all about. You have to work those relationships to kind of build on from there. And I can say it actually works. So I'm coming into a point where I like to hear different techniques and things of that nature that I can take away, and I surely gathered some great information from Alice.
You keep having to prove over and over again that you're dependable, that you're flexible, that you're likable, and that you're credible. If you can do those 4 key factors in building a relationship, you have the secret to the secret sauce.
Sky Connect in Alice Gordon Holloway is very engaging. She allows each participant to network with each other, engage each other. She brings a sense of excitement and fun to the environment.
She gave good advice, things that I thought I knew, I didn't know. It was just a very good learning experience for me, especially for this to be like my first workshop.
Actually, when I see Sky Connect and Alice is going to be the one delivering those presentations, I try to make my best to go to those because I know it's going to be some valuable information, and I always sign up immediately to try to be a part of it.
So I just encourage everybody else to attend one of Sky Connect's events. It's a great and valuable resource. You'll learn a lot, and you'll meet a lot of great people.
We are very lucky to have Sky Connect as one of our disadvantaged business enterprises, and we are very happy that Sky Connect is here representing that program and offering training skills to our small business community.